Good day, everyone. I am Ranalyn Blanca Patricio, and today I will be discussing my task for my final project in abstract algebra. So I am from BSED Math 3. So here I will be relating subgroup order. So my subgroup order is 2, 4, 8, and 16. So as you can see, the subgroups are the factor of 16, which is 2, 4, 8, and 16. So if we multiply 2 into 8, we will get 16. And if we multiply 4 into 4, the answer is 16 also. Then it is also the same when we multiply 8 into 2, we will still get the result of 16. Then if we multiply the 16 into 1, the answer is itself. So therefore, it is the relationship of the subgroup order to the divisor. So that's all. Thank you so much.